Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to give you guys a quick update. I know a lot of families have a lot of questions concerning fair entry for 2020. Um, Things are changing. We're learning things as we go. And so a few things that we've been able to clarify that we want to clarify today, and since we've been able to update them. Okay. Um, so with fair entry, they did some updates and some changes. So now the state fair projects for building, they are no longer required for pictures. Okay. I know a lot of people did not understand that. So when you look at fair entry, you're going to have to answer a question. Every family has to answer it. Are you planning to exhibit your projects virtually, or are you going to physically bring them to the fair to exhibit them? Okay, so that in-person project. Okay, so you have that opportunity to choose which one you want to do this year. If you plan to do physical projects, that means you are going to physically bring your projects to the fairgrounds during the check-in times or during the livestock show times, you do not have to upload pictures, images into 4-H onto fair entry before you hit submit. We were able to go in and actually change the state fair building projects today. So that took about a couple hours for me to go in there and change the hierarchy settings on those projects. They are now optional. Please note, in the past, we were able, we did put out that the state fair building projects was required to do both, but now we were able to change that where you don't have to do that. It is optional. Okay, so for all building projects, it's now optional to upload images. If you're planning to show virtually, yes, you will need to upload pictures. If you're planning to exhibit physically at the Knox County Fair, you will just need to, you do not have to upload any pictures to fair entry. Okay, you're going to be getting a document mailed to you. We're also going to be sending that document out on social media and in the email. We're going to update it on our website to clarify that. The hard copy that you're going to be getting is going to be not going to be correct because we were able to update it since we were able to mail that big document out. And so if you have any questions, I know this is very confusing this year, especially for 2020. Knox County is only a handful of counties in the state of Indiana who is doing building projects physically. We are the only one in our area that is doing building projects physically, judging them. Almost a lot of counties are doing virtual projects for building. So please continue to watch your emails. We're going to try and make sure we're sending out those emails and also through social media updates. We're going to be doing a lot more probably YouTube live streaming because it's easier to share the YouTube link than it is for some families to get on Facebook to be able to view those. If you have any questions, please contact the extension office. And that phone number is 812-882-3509. And also just to clarify the deadlines, I know a lot of families have questions about deadlines before I get off. So July 1st is project add and drop, and the deadline to ID your livestock animals on 4-H online. And if your animals are planning to go to the Indiana State Fair, you will also need to, if they require a DNA hair sample envelope, they must be turned in by July 1st. We cannot accept them on July 2nd. Okay. If you're planning to attend the Indiana State Fair for showing of livestock, I encourage you to please check out their website. There is a lot of information that they are updating daily as it keeps changing. Okay. So please make sure you check out their website. Fair entry. So that is letting us know what you are planning to exhibit at the Knox County Fair this year. That deadline is July the 10th at 11:59 p.m. Okay. So I know families get very frustrated because you have 3 different websites that you have to log into. But please realize all 3 websites serve a different purpose. So that 4H09 is one where we're able to house that information, your contact information, and your building projects, and what projects you're taking, and your animal identification. The fair entry website, that right there provides us for showing what you're going to be exhibiting, where we're able to put in the results of your projects. And then the state fair piece is a whole different ball game that's not really with us, that we're just exporting information into. So if you do have any questions, please contact the extension office. That phone number is 812-882-3509. Have a good day.